Stop scrolling right now. If your PlayStation 5 is stuck on a blinking blue light and not turning on, this video can save you a lot of money and stress. This problem is very common, and in most cases it is fixable at home. The blinking blue light means the PS5 is stuck during startup and cannot complete the boot process. This usually happens because of power issues, software glitches, HDMI handshake errors, or internal hardware protection. First solution, power cycle reset. Turn off the PS5 completely. Unplug the power cable from the wall. Also remove the HDMI cable from both TV and console. Now wait at least 10 minutes. This clears stored electrical charge and resets internal power management. After 10 minutes, plug only the power cable back in. Do not connect HDMI yet. Press and hold the power button for 10 seconds. You may hear one beep or nothing. That is normal. Now connect HDMI and turn on the console. Second solution, check HDMI cable and TV port. A faulty HDMI cable can cause the blue light loop. Use a different HDMI cable if possible. Plug the cable directly into the TV, not through a splitter or capture card. Try a different HDMI port on the TV. This fixes handshake issues between the PS5 and the display. Third solution, boot into safe mode. Turn off the PS5. Press and hold the power button. Release after the second beep, around 7 seconds. Connect the controller using USB cable. Select option 5, rebuild database. This does not delete data and fixes corrupted system files. If that fails, select option 6, reset PS5 only if you have backup. Fourth solution, update system software manually. Download the latest PS5 system update on a USB drive from another device. Boot into safe mode again. Choose Update System Software, then Update from USB storage. Software corruption is a major cause of blinking blue light. Fifth solution, check power source. Avoid extension boards or unstable sockets. Plug the PS5 directly into a wall outlet. Unstable voltage can trigger protection mode. If none of these solutions work, the issue may be related to power supply unit or APU solder protection. In that case, professional repair is required. If this video helped you, like, share, and subscribe to Tech Vibes. More real fixes, no fake solutions, only tested methods.